Hey, thank you for clicking on the video. Today we have the Harbor Freight 5-ton log splitter, and we're going to be testing it out, putting it together, and we're going to split a couple logs and see how it works. I'm really excited to finally have a log splitter. I won't use it too much, so I don't want to spend $1,000 on one, but I was able to get this from Harbor Freight for $2.99, and for what I need, it's going to be perfect. Oh, she's heavy. It is quite heavy. As always, read the instructions. We're going to read this quick. If you purchase things from Harbor Freight, sometimes the assembly can get a little bit extensive. On this, the assembly doesn't look like it's much at all. Simply installing a knob. Beautiful. We'll put the knob on. The knob came in this bag. It's crucial that you loosen the vent plug before use. The vent plug is located right here. We're going to loosen that up quick. Try this log here, see how it does. This is maple. Well, thank you for watching the video on my Harbor Freight 5-ton electric wood splitter. I'm really happy with it. I just split that wood in a matter of minutes. That was some red pine and some maple, and this thing just handled it beautifully. So it's going to be perfect for, splitting wood to take to the campground, or splitting wood for a solo stove, or for me, I'm going to be tapping the trees in the spring, so it's going to be perfect for splitting wood for the maple syrup evaporator. One thing that I think I'm going to look into is possibly a stand for it or a tabletop. It weighs about 110 pounds. They had to help me get it in the car. I got it out of the car just fine, but be careful. It is heavy. Read the directions. Make sure that you follow all the safety precautions. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I'll also post a link to this product on Harbor Freight's website if you wanted to go check it out for yourself.